28th of August will be the massive day in our group, of course, in the entire stock market. If you want to know more, join the group. The link is down in the description below. It's less than $1 a day. You can lock up your price for less than $1 a day for the entire month. And believe me, you will get locked up with the price, because the price is going to increase. There are only limited seats, 10 to 12 seats, and you can lock up. And we, entire group, we are going to trade together NVIDIA's earnings, and you can trade with us and make that massive bucks. And of course, enjoy that beauty of that big account. So make your account double. Don't blow up your account. Don't invest in stupid stocks. So let's just get into NVIDIA's, the most important tech earnings in years. So that is Nvidia's Q2 results. So that will be, of course, released on 20th of August, and I'm gonna tell you why that is really important. And on a small basis, if I really have to put that on a comparison with a day like Friday, yesterday, which was yesterday, 23rd of August, where Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell, when he spoke about the interest rate cutting. So if I really have to compare that day to 20th of August, which will be Nvidia's earnings, of course, Nvidia's earnings day will be the most massive day in the history of stock market. But why? Because this company is sitting just over $3 trillion in market cap. That is massive, guys. In 3 days, this company gained more than $700 billion in market cap just in the last week. That is really massive. So I'm going to touch a few points, and I'm going to say you why this is really important. And if you're holding the stock, honestly, you are the lucky one. It's time to be a millionaire. So investors, especially, of course, I'm talking about all the investors, need to mark it on their calendar that this coming 28th of August, Wednesday, which is next week, that will be massive day. So take a big fat red ink and mark it on your calendar that this day will be the most important day in this month and also in 2024. So Wedbush Securities Dan Ives, he predicts that this company, Nvidia, when it will release Q2 results, the market will really explode on the other side. If it releases the positive earnings, the market will really go massive. But if it releases the bad numbers, it will go on a downside. But not just about the US stock market. This stock, one single company, will gonna shake the entire global stock market. Whether you count to India, China, Japan, Europe, London, Australia, North America, South America, doesn't matter, because this company will really influence that entire stock market. So now you can really scale up in your brain and think how big of a company this is gonna be. And it's, of course, it's grown massively. And in few months, this will be the largest company if you really count on a market cap basis. So in this view, of course, all the tech bulls who are on the Wall Street, they are predicting that this company on 20th of August will market something really remarkable, because of course everyone is really predicting the positive earnings from this company. So also they are predicting that when the new product is going to get launched, that will be another masterpiece by Nvidia's Huang. So of course, the CEO of Nvidia, when he will gonna launch the new product, he will gonna nail it again, because all the time, every single time he is launching a new product, he's just nailing it in sales, in revenues, in profits, and every single thing, including AI. And of course, that's the biggest platform. He's just working on it, and he's just really getting successful. So he's really getting, how can I say, he's really mastering that. So for now, I don't know, maybe in future someone will really take Nvidia, but for now Nvidia is ruling the stock market. So of course the stock price is sitting just shy of $130, and if you really got in the stock, that is your luck, because I think this stock will really gonna hit $160 to $165 super easily. So So Huang confirms that the customers are continuing to line up for every last chip that he can sell. So that's a big news, of course. So now, plus on that, of course, the next product, what he's going to release, will be much bigger, much massive. So please take into account, if you're holding these positions in Nvidia, just hold tight, because this stock is going to skyrocket. By the end of 2024, this stock will be selling more than $4 trillion. That will really cross every single company in the entire world. So one of the point I really want to highlight is that on 28th of August, when this company will really release their earnings, even the market is red, believe me, this stock will turn that red market into green market. So I am predicting that $160 will be the price target, and don't take it as a joke, especially don't short this stock. Do not short Nvidia. If you're shorting, honestly, you will regret for the entire life. So if you have money, this is not a financial advice, it's only for the educational purpose. If you have money, honestly, I would be very happy for you guys to see if you are in Nvidia's position. But if I was you, of course, I would invest in Nvidia more and more and more just right before the earnings, because earnings are massive. But also keep in mind, bear that in mind, very clear, that if the company releases the bad earnings, and stock will really flush down. So for that, what you got to do before earnings, if you have money, some cash or whatever, if you're buying the stock, do not use leverage, do not use margin, because you will be messed up in your account, or you will just blow up your account. But of course, even if there is a dip in Nvidia, it will be eaten back rapidly, because all the investors, like hedge funds, institutions, of course, they will buy back these shares at the cheaper price much as possible, because one bad earning from Nvidia will really not justify how bad the company is. But they will try to buy much shares as possible in the cheaper price, because this stock in Q3, of course, when they will release the next earnings, that will be massive. For now, I'm hoping everything positive, but also I'm talking on the negative side. If something happens on the negative side, you got to take account of your same account. Means you got to take accountability. So you got to take care of your own account. Guys, if you want to know more, you can join the group. The link is down in the description, and you can join there. We have a massive group there. There are limited seats, 12 to 15 seats, of course, for less than $1 a day. The price is going to increase, and you will end up paying more price per month. So we have day trades, swing trades, and long terms, and also earnings, and you can trade anything what you want. You get all the notifications, and especially this Nvidia's earning will be massive in our group, and everyone is waiting to make money. And especially if you want, you can also, because I'm talking with my 10 years experience, that is a decade of experience in the stock market, and of course producing millions and millions of dollars. And even you can do this. Doesn't matter the account size, only thing you have to approach right to the stock market, and you have to do it right. Patience is everything. Gambling, it destroys your account. So guys, my fate in this tech bull stock market is positive, is very, very positive. So I'll keep my hands on Nvidia and hoping the best from Nvidia, because I really want to make the massive money. I'm only talking about the money here, because everyone is investing in stock markets, just they want to grow their accounts, they want to double their account, they really want to make millions or trillions or whatever. Of course, not trillions, but millions or thousands of dollars. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and come to the group, join the group. You will trade with us and make money. No one wants your money. We don't want anything. I'm only telling, come to the right place and get educated in the right way. So if you don't know, we can also teach you, but if you know, that is great. You can trade with us and just make money, and that's it. So see you in the group, probably see you in the next video, and be careful of your Nvidia's position, and don't go really massive, especially on the margin or leverage account, whatever, because you might get blown up if the Nvidia's earnings are really bad. But I'm talking on the both side. I'm not really talking only on the positive side. If I'm talking on the positive side, of course, if the earnings are really coming on the bad side, of course, the market will really flush. The stock will really flush. It will sit around like $90 if the earnings are coming really bad. But of course, we don't want to really expect that. We don't want to see that. We don't even want to imagine that, because Nvidia's guidance in Q1 was absolutely positive. That will count for Q2. And Q2, I'm hoping, of course, the next guidance will come massively and this stock will skyrocket to $160. So $160 market, and it's coming. It's on the way. Wednesday is a massive day. And if you have to compare this day to Jay Powell's day on Friday's speech for the interest rate cutting, this is much massive than the Jay Powell's day on Friday when he spoke about the interest rate. So for me, Nvidia's earnings is the biggest day in the entire stock market. So probably see you in the next video, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So thank you and see you next time.